What is a decision point in UX user flows? Imagine you're navigating a website or app, and suddenly you're faced with a choice that changes your entire journey. That moment is what we call a decision point. In user experience design, a decision point is a spot where users must pick between two or more options. Think of it like a fork in the road. For example, when you decide whether to sign up for a newsletter or skip it, you're at a decision point. These moments are shaped by what users want to do and what they need to accomplish. In the world of Adobe software and user flow diagrams, decision points are shown as nodes or circles where the flow splits into different paths. When designers create these flows, they start by understanding what the user's goal is. Then, they map out each step, including these decision points, to make sure the user can move smoothly toward completing their task. If a decision point is confusing or unclear, it can cause frustration or lead users to abandon the process. That's why clear options and guidance are so important at these moments. Designers use decision points to predict how users might behave. They help in planning the best routes through a product, making sure users don't get lost or stuck. When working with Adobe tools like Adobe X or Adobe Illustrator, you can visualize these points easily in flowcharts or wireframes. You place a node where the flow branches, and then you connect each option to the next step. This visual helps everyone involved understand how users will navigate through the interface. Knowing where decision points are helps you create a more intuitive experience. For example, if a user is choosing between different subscription plans, the decision point guides them to the best option based on their needs. It also helps you design clear, simple choices that prevent confusion. When you map out user flows with decision points in mind, you can identify potential problem areas and fix them before development begins. In UX design, decision points are essential because they influence how users interact with your product. They mark the moments where choices are made, shaping the entire journey. By paying attention to these points and designing them carefully, you make it easier for users to reach their goals. This approach leads to a smoother, more satisfying experience that keeps users engaged and happy with your product.